Hi, I'm Trey Taylor, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. If you're dealing with a custody case or simply trying to understand how it all works, you're in the right place. We've helped thousands of families across Texas navigate the emotional and legal challenges of divorce and custody. And one of the most important and most asked questions we get is this: how does the court decide who gets custody of the kids? Let's clear up one myth right away. Texas law does not favor mothers over fathers. There's no automatic preference. Instead, the law requires courts to focus on one thing: the best interest of the child. So what does that mean? Let's walk through the key principles that guide custody decisions in Texas, officially called conservatorship. First, there are two main types: joint managing conservatorship, or JMC. This is the most common outcome. Both parents share decision-making rights, but one is often named the primary conservator, meaning the child primarily lives with them. And sole managing conservatorship, or SMC. This is granted in cases involving serious issues like abuse, neglect, or addiction. One parent is given exclusive rights to make decisions. So, how does a judge decide which setup is best? Here are the three main pillars of Texas custody law. 1. The best interest of the child. Under Texas Family Code, this is the core standard. Judges ask which arrangement gives the child the most stability, support, and opportunity to thrive, both now and long term. It's not about money or material things. It's about consistency, safety, and emotional well-being. 2. Parental involvement and history. Judges look at patterns, not promises. Who's been doing the heavy lifting? School drop-offs, medical appointments, bedtime routines. All of this shows who's consistently involved. Courts want to minimize disruption, so the parent who's been actively parenting often has a stronger case for primary conservatorship. 3. Safety and stability. This is non-negotiable. Courts review any history of abuse, neglect, or substance misuse. If safety is a concern, the court can restrict access or assign supervised visitation. On the flip side, if you can show that you provide a stable home and a healthy environment, that can significantly help your case. Let me leave you with this. Custody cases aren't about which parent wins. They're about what helps your child feel secure and supported in the middle of a major life change. If you're facing a custody issue, or even just preparing for one, don't go it alone. Visit us at bryanfagan.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll guide you through the process and fight for what matters most: your child's future. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions. Until next time, take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.